Hello food lovers! Today we are diving into the mouth-watering world of Korean cuisine. Get ready for a quick review of my all-time favorites from the Korean kitchen. So grab your chopsticks and let's satisfy those cravings together. Alright guys, let's start with number 4. Duck kalbi. So if you find this word called duck, it means there's always chicken. This was the first Korean dish I ever tried and it left a lasting impression. Imagine tender chicken stir-fried with veggies and rice cakes coated in a slightly spicy, slightly sweet sauce. The chicken juicy, the sauce addictive. It's a flavor-packed combo that's perfect for those who crave a bit of heat. Next, number 3. The kalgooksu. It's not a typical spicy Korean dish, but don't let the pale appearance fool you guys. Even for a spice lover like me, the taste of this dish was so good. Well, it's all about simplicity. Imagine hand-cut noodles in a comforting chicken broth, tender pieces of chicken, and flavors that are heavenly pure. Talking about kalgooksu, Koreans have a traditional method of making hand-cut noodles. It's quite a sight to see, especially when skilled grandmothers can effortlessly cut the noodles into perfectly even pieces. So let's go to number 2. Seothang. Something unique to Korea. Seothang features stuffed chicken filled with rice and healthy ingredients. This dish is not only delicious but also known for its health benefits. The taste is so tempting and refreshing. It's the perfect choice for your re-energizing on the long day, leaving you feeling refreshed. And then number 1, Shim Duck. Now let me tell you about my all-time favorite chicken dish, Shim Duck. I've tried it in 3 irresistible flavors: cheesy, spicy, and soya sauce Shim Duck. If you are into spice, trust me, the spice one takes the crown. Plus, those chewy noodles. They are a game changer. The sauce, the chicken, and the noodles together take it to the next level. Okay guys, keep an eye out for more reviews coming on your way. Until then, happy eating!